Good morning everyone, this is Gaurav Kuntal and today I'm gonna show you the AHU piping connection, chill water piping connection from the header line. Okay, so here you see we have this header line which is insulated white. This one header line, this is the supply chilled water header line, and this is the chilled water return header line. Okay, so you see here, from here we have taken the branch connection for the AHU, which I am showing with my finger. This is the branch connection of 3 inches. You see, this is the supply chilled water line, and we have taken 3-inch connection from the 6 inches header line. So now this line is going, you can see by my finger, this line is going to connect to the AHU. You see here, the line I am showing with my finger is this. You see, here we have gate valve of 3 inches which has flange type connection. So I'm gonna show you with some other angle. Here we have this thing. We have this gate valve first. After taking the branch connection, we put gate valve in the supply line of chilled water to the AHU. See, it is having DN80, means 80 mm is its dia, and it is having PN rating of 16. It means that it can withstand with 16 bar of pressure, the flange connections. The flanges can withstand with 16 bar of pressure. So first we just connect the gate valve in it. After that we are putting in this line this strainer. It is also having 3-inch flange connection, and after that we are having this one is the bypass from the chilled water return. This is the bypass, and here this is the tapping for pressure gauge, quarter size 1/4 inches for pressure gauge. Now if you see, we are putting one elbow, and then we have this tapping for thermometer, and this tapping is of 3/4 inches, and this one of 1/4 inch. This is for drain. Now we are putting here flexible, that is the size of same 3 inches DN80, and this also have flange connection. Okay, normally we have flange connection for pipe size of more than 3 inches or equal to 3 inches. Okay, now this is the coil of our AHU. Okay, now the size of this coil is 65 mm or 2.5 inch. So we are putting a reducer here. You can see this is the concentric reducer. We are putting the reducer here, then we have flange connection with it. Now you can see this, I told you about the supply line of chilled water. This is my AHU. My AHU is make his career. Now I'm gonna show you. Now the water which goes into the AHU, now it will return from this line, from this coil. Same, the coil size is 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch. Then we have flange connection. Then we are putting reducer again, which makes the line size of 3 inches again, once again. Now here we are putting flexible. Flexible we put for contraction and expansion of the line, so that it can offer this provision of contraction. And again we have this 3/4 inch connection of for thermometer. Then we are putting this elbow, and this tapping is for pressure gauge. Now here you see there is a special kind of valve. This is three-way valve. Okay, from here it is operated by the actuator, and this valve is of 50 mm or 2 inches. You see here I am putting first reducer to just make it the size of this valve. Okay, now this valve is having what? Threaded connection. So we are putting this pipe spool, which is one side welded to the reducer and other side it is threaded. Okay, from you see here from all the three sides it is, we are putting the reducer for its size and the thread. Now you see this, what is the function of this valve? Actually this valve is used to maintain the flow rate inside the AHU. Okay, so it is normally operated with the BMS. We check what is the flow rate coming out of the AHU, and we maintain according to the schedule which is given. Okay, if I talk about this particular AHU, then we have, just hold on. For the particular AHU, we are having the flow rate of 97.8 US GPM. That is around 6.17 liter per second. Okay, so we have to maintain this thing. So this is maintained. We can maintain it electrically by the this valve, which we can operate it directly. It is connected with the actuator, and actuator is connected to the controller, which is directly connected to the BMS. So from there we can just operate this valve and adjust the flow meter according to our requirement. Now this, if we have to isolate this AHU, so what we do is we just close this valve, and this valve just supply line, like water comes from here and it goes like this and this way, and it is closed from this side. Okay, so the water goes from here to here, again it gets returned. It comes from here, goes like this and goes to the building return header. So the thing is, we can isolate it and regulate and modulate the pressure. I'm sorry, it is not pressure, it is like flow rate. Okay, now we also have one provision, like here we are again just increasing the line size just to make it 3 inch according to the schedule. And here this is known as DRV, that is double regulating valve. Here you see this is also have the rating of PN25. It means that its flanges can withstand with the line pressure of 25 bar almost. And this DN80 means it is having the 3 inches dia or 80 mm. Now you see, after coming, we can regulate it also. We can regulate mechanically by this DRV valve also, the flow rate. Okay, I will show you how it works. See, this is the way. If we just regulate it like this, see. After this one, you can see this zero becomes, it is fully closed. If I'll just do like this, after it takes one turn, this one, like you see in black part, there is one, it will become 2 after coming here. And now if I rotate it once more, it will become 3. So it is regulated in this way. So from here, this two-way, this double regulating valve, we can calculate the flow rate. Okay, from these are the 2 test points. See here, these are the 2 test points. From here we can just put our flow meter to check. Here first we'll put it here just to check what is the flow rate in it, and after regulating with this one we can check what is the flow rate now. Okay, now there is the last thing which we'll put in this line. It is the gate valve. Okay, gate valve is just to isolate the whole line, chilled water or whatever it is. This now see this line again, this is just going like this way, and you see we have put the support and the saddle also, so this line is going like this and connecting to again 6 inches header in the return line. Okay, that is the way how chilled water connections for AHU is done. Okay, and the material of this pipe is MS, that is mild steel. So I think it is very clear how these AHU connections are done and how the flow rate is maintained. If you have some doubts and anything, then you can just write it to me at kuntal.gaurav@gmail.com. Okay, you see this is my AHU. Once again I will show you the full view. It is like this. Okay, I'm sorry the light is not proper, and scaffolding is also there, then so you are not able to just see how it looks. Okay, in this way it is connected. Then you see here. Okay, I'll show you everything. This is my AHU. Let's make his career. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day.